Hey guys, welcome to Program Hub. In this video series, we are going to see design patterns with example. Before we start, if you are new to this channel, please click on below red button and subscribe our channel to support us. So here in this video, we are going to see a factory pattern, right? So factory pattern is one of the most used design pattern in Java. This type of design patterns comes under creational pattern, as this pattern provides one of the best way to create an object. In factory pattern, we create object without exposing the creation logic to the client and refer to newly created object using a common interface. Right. So here we're going to create one factory pattern example. Right. So here first we'll create one interface. Right. So here I'm going to say the name color interface. Right. So finish, and here I'm add one method paint, right? Okay, so save this and write. I'm here writing the three implementation class of this color interface, right? So here in the class, here I'm going to create a red class with this color interface, right? So click on finish, and now here again adding uh, green, adding this color, click on finish, and the last one is yellow. Okay, so now we have our three classes having red, green, yellow, right? So here we'll provide um, system.out.println system statement to know which class paint method is executed, right? So here for this we are writing here in green class paint method, right? So we can easily identify which class paint method is executed, right? So copy and paste it into the other classes as it is. So just change the class name here, right? Okay, so save this all, and here what we have done so far, we have created one color interface having the one abstract method called paint, and we written here a three implementation classes for this color interface, right? So here now we are going to create one color factory class, right? Here create one class color factory, right? So this is the one class of color factory having I'm here writing one method get color having the parameter of string color, right? So here within this get color in the return type of color with public modifier, right? So here we'll add one return statement return null, right? So now here what it this method it does, right? So here we'll adding some conditions. If this color is equals to null, right? So then it will return null, right? or else if this color dot equal ignore case, and here provide the string called red, right? If it is a red, then create an object of red class, right? So this copies, right? So here make it as green, yellow, green, yellow. So this class is providing the logic of the creation of the object, right? So what is the factory pattern? The motto is, right, so create an object without exposing the creation logic, right? So this is the color factory class created the object of the implemented classes, which is the red, green, yellow of the color interfaces, right? So here we are going to create an object of for these classes, right? So this is the logic, right? So now here we are create one class called factory pattern example, right? So here factory pattern example, right, with the main method finish, right? So here within this factory pattern, here I am going to create one color factory class object, right? So within this color, using this color factory object, right, dot get color of type red, right? So here it's written uh, color type, okay, color red is equals to 10. So now using this color red dot paint method we can call, so make it a copy and paste it for other implemented classes, right, like green and blue. So here yellow and green, right? Run this application. You can see here in a red class paint method, in green class paint method, and in yellow class paint method, right? So what is the motto of the factory pattern? Factory pattern is the motto of the factory pattern is the hiding the create on object without exposing the creational logic to the client to refer the newly created object, right? So here we'll pass the argument, right, red, green, yellow to this get color method of the color factory class, and using this here we are going to create an object, right? So we are hiding this logic from the client, right? So the client can only view this method, right? So he'll not be able to see the where to create an object and how, right? So this is the mode of the factory pattern. So thank you guys for watching this video. Please stay tuned for the next video.